Introducing the Global Truss Lighting Rack. Built for flexibility on the road and on stage. Designed for professional touring, this versatile system works as both a robust transport cart and a pre-rigged stage element. With a base footprint of 120 by 80 centimeters, it's perfectly optimized for truck transport. Thanks to its modular design, the lighting rack adapts to your needs. It's available in 2 standard heights and can be easily extended using additional frames, spacers, or F31 truss segments. The top section features a pre-drilled bracket for fast, secure mounting of 1 or more 100-centimeter F31 trusses using cones, giving you full flexibility to add lighting, stage elements, or safely secure equipment in transit. A reinforced dolly base provides extra storage space and ensures maximum stability, even under demanding touring conditions. And with a wide range of accessories, the lighting rack can be fully customized to fit your setup. Global Truss Lighting Rack, one system built for every stage of your production.